Well, I finished carting lead and zinc ferrite from the refinery to the port for the day, but I'm not finished down the port. I've jumped into the Iveco into my boss's truck, and we're heading down to the port to get the CAT excavator that I moved the other day. Going to put it on and take it back to the sugar shed down the port, so that's what we're going to go do. Use the deck widen. I've got to widen her out to 3 metres and drive her on, and then we can move it. It's only got to go a couple of k's, but still got to do all the bells and whistles, flags, lights and shit, seeing it's over. So good day everybody. I've gone down to the port, down to the workshop, and loaded the digger, and on the boss's truck and the deck widener here, loaded it, and I've driven down here to the sugar sheds. This is the big shed where they store all the raw sugar before they put it on the ships to export it or to transport it to other parts of Australia. So now I'm going to fire up the CAT 320 and unload it, walk it over, park it over here. So here we go. There we go, we've folded the ramps up on the deck widener. Now we've got to actually close the deck itself up, because as you can see I had to open it 25 centimetres either side. I'm just trying to remember which way is closed. No, that's open. And this has got linear cylinders on it, well they close at the same rate. So it'll just close up nice and neat all on its own. That's him, and the other side, and then we can pack up and go home, finish for the day, be home before 5 o'clock. Now if you want to know what it looks like inside a really big shed, you can fit 4 full-size football pitches in here. That's how big it is, it's bloody huge.